This has to be one of the easiest methods to start making money online. And I wish I knew about this earlier. And for this, you don't need to sell any products. You don't need to have your own website, and you don't need any social media followers to start making money. Now, you will be paid anywhere between $5 to $15 every single time you do this. And today, I will show you exactly how to set this up so that this system works on autopilot and you have to do the work only once. So, first you need to go over to Google Gemini, and then you ask Gemini for a list of 20 to 30 different best book niches. And then it is going to give us different niche ideas that we can target. Now you can go through these different niches that Gemini has suggested and choose one niche from this list. Then you can ask Gemini to give you the top 10 best books in that particular niche. In this case, I'm just going to go with the self-development niche. Now, Gemini is going to give us quite a few ideas here. So I'm just going to pick from one of these top 10 books in the self-development niche. Let's say, for example, I will be choosing Atomic Habits, as this is a very popular one. And in a moment, I am going to show you how to actually use literally any top-selling book in any niche to start making money online for completely free. And don't worry, you don't need to sell any books. And also, you don't need to read any books. Next, what I want you to do is to just write a brief summary of the book that you chose. Now you can either write those summaries yourself or you can write those summaries with the help of Gemini. For now, I will be using Google Gemini. First, we need to copy the name of the book and the author, and then you need to type in this prompt. Now, once we have our summary generated, what we need to do is to again use Gemini to convert this summary into an extensive blog post. And we will do that using this prompt. Now, while that is being generated, we need to go to canva.com and sign up for completely free. If you didn't know already, Canva is a graphic design tool where we can create promo designs for free, even as a complete beginner. So for now, I am going to type in book promo over here. And it's going to give me quite a few different templates and mockups that I can use. So let's say I'm going for this one. And now we can customize this template. But first, we will need to replace the book cover over here. So for this case, I would just go to Google and search for Atomic Habits book cover. Then go to Images and then just download from one of these and use it in the template. Then I will just change the font color here in a way that it complements the actual color of the book. And then I would want it to say free book. Now you must be thinking, how am I going to give a free book and make money with it? Well, just stay with me, and in a moment, I will show you exactly how to do that. Now, once you're done creating your free book design, you just have to download the image by clicking on the share button. Change the file type to PNG and click on download. And now it's going to be downloaded to your device. Now, we need to go back to Google Gemini, where we had generated our article for a full summary of the Atomic Habits book. And if you go through it, you'll see that it does not look completely AI generated. It sounds like someone actually put a lot of effort into writing this entire book summary. So now I can copy all of this. But how do we actually make money with this? Well, you see, there's this platform called Audible, where you can actually listen to different audiobooks. And here, if we search for Atomic Habits book, or if somebody searches for any other book that they know of, they can find that book over here and they can listen to it. But the best part is, if you give them an affiliate link for Audible, they can actually get this book for completely free. So just go to Google and search for Audible Creator Program, and this page is going to show up. Here you can see that the Audible affiliate program actually pays you $5 if someone signs up for free through your link. And when they sign up, they can also get 2 books for free as well. Now in this case, I will be promoting Atomic Habits, and people can get this book for free. They don't have to pay for anything, and I will get $5 each time someone signs up to Audible through my referral link. So, to join the Audible Creator Program, you just have to click on Become an Affiliate, and then it's a pretty straightforward process. And now, if someone were to click on my affiliate link, they will be taken to the Atomic Habits sales page on Amazon. And here, they can get this book for free. And when they sign up to Audible for free, they get the book, but I get paid $5 plus an additional $10 if they actually end up paying for an Audible subscription. Also, creating Amazon affiliate links is pretty easy, so you basically just have to go to the sales page of the book you're promoting. And then at the top right corner on the left side, you can generate a short link, and then you can just copy that. And whenever someone clicks on that link, they will be redirected to that exact same sales page of that book, where you earn $5 every single time someone signs up. So what you can do right now is you can go to medium.com, which is a platform that's being visited by millions of people around the world, and it also helps you to rank pretty high if you share different articles and blog posts here. And through these articles, I can send people to different links. And in this case, the link is going to be an Audible affiliate link. So first, we just have to click on Write. For now, I will be creating this blog post on the Medium app. And here, I will paste the article that we just copied from Gemini. And here we have it. Now, we will also add the promo design which we created in Canva, which essentially says that this book that they're reading a summary of, they can get it for completely free if they just click the link. So, I can just say, click here to claim Atomic Habits book for free on Amazon. Now, when you mention Amazon, they know it's nothing shady or whatsoever. You are literally just sending them to Amazon where they can claim it for free. So we will just highlight this, and then you need to insert your Amazon affiliate link right here. Now you can also highlight this text and make it bold. And then you need to copy this exact same call to action and paste it throughout the entire article. And we are doing this because when someone stumbles upon your summary, it's because they're interested in reading that book, or they were just going to read the summary, but now they are actually interested in reading the entire book. Well, now you're giving them a link where they can get that book for completely free. So you are providing some value, you're solving a problem, and at the same time, you're being paid $5 to $10 every single time someone clicks and signs up through your link. And of course, they get their book for free. So now what you have to do is you just have to publish this blog post on Medium. But that is not going to be the last step. There's this one more step you have to do if you really want to maximize your results. So now click on Preview, and we have to select the topic here, which in this case is self-improvement, and then click on Publish Now. And just like that, we have published our Medium blog post. And yes, it's going to get traffic from Medium, and it can also get traffic from Google search, but we need more than that. So what I would do is I would just copy the link to this blog post. And then I would go to Facebook, and I would just join different self-development and productivity groups. And here, we can find tens of thousands of members inside of these groups. So what you can do is you can start joining these groups and start sharing your article links here. And you have to basically tell these people that they can either get that book right away for free, or they can just share your article links further to more people they know. And in that way, it's going to help you boost your account on Medium as your blog posts will be seen by more people. And it's also going to help you rank higher on Google when they notice that you are getting some external traffic on your Medium posts. And again, for each person that signs up through your link, you make $5. And it literally takes less than 30 seconds to generate an entire summary of any book, which you can just copy and paste onto medium.com. And you need to just repeat this process until you have at least 10 to 20 book summaries published on medium.com every single day. Just repeat this for as long as possible to get as many signups and as many clicks onto your affiliate link. I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and please subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this, and I will see you next time.